This is Wags, Chicago. It's April 30th, 2021. We just had a fighter jet go over my area. I couldn't see it. I called somebody else to see if it was just out of our reach. So, vision. But I followed it back. They're both blocked. We saw the blocked ones earlier, our fighter jets. I can't guarantee they all are, but I looked. The one came out of here, Lexington, another one west of Evansville. Looks like they took off at the exact same time. And then they made this pattern right here. It's like an X right here. They just crisscrossed over Chicago right here. So I got a good feeling those are pretty fast. And they literally met right here over the middle. Right here. Let's take a look. There's some creepy stuff going on. They put an X right over Illinois. That's not creepy. Hang on. What city is this? That was on purpose, but they know their pattern. They're right over Wonder Lake. 120. Yeah. Route 120. Oh, my. Oh, my. 120. North of that, a few, maybe a half a mile. Between Wonder Lake and Boone Creek. What is that called? Boone Creek Conservation. Look at the X. Oh, shit. What does this mean? Because you know these guys do shit on purpose. Oh, my. We're looking at the blue line there. I don't want to hit the button and accidentally erase this. So he's showing blocked. This one has an ID of N3, whatever. It's this one here. It's showing as that's showing up as a Cessna, or what do you call this? A Mooney little plane. He just flew that many hundreds of miles and met these guys here in the middle with a little prop plane. Oh, shit. He's over Waukesha right now. Yeah. What are the odds? Oh, wait. N301 is which one? This one here. Still a prop plane. So this little prop plane flew from Lexington to here, met this other block plane that left the same time just west of there and makes an X over Illinois. All right, just wanted to show that. They're still all over the country, but this one caught my eye because it was close to home. I wanted to show you the X there. Just want to make sure. The blocked. Yeah, those are the two blocked. Making sure I was on the right one. Yep. Blocked. And that one's now N3. Either way, it's a prop plane. Not happening. Or it did. We're living in the theater right now. What are they doing now? Look how they're spreading out. So it looks like that third one's with them too. It looked like maybe there was three on that line. I can't tell. This is an X over northern Illinois, northwest of Chicago. The town is called Wonder Lake, north of Crystal Lake. Just so people know, south of Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. There's an X from the military. Just for future, in case anything weird goes on, remember this X. Wow. I don't know. That's where my mind's at. I don't know what's going on. Wait,